1901. Gandhiji weaving khadi yarn on his famous charkha. Many of his followers are sitting along with him in Sabarmati ashram and spinning yarns of homegrown cotton. A mellifluous tone of Raghupati Raghav Rajaram is being chanted in the ashram corridors, and people are engaged in routine work.
What are you doing, Gandhiji?
I am spinning threads of cotton, weaving them into yarn and making shirts and kurtas.
Why but? We have so many ready-made garments available in the market.
Because we have chosen to boycott all that is non-Indian. We do not promote British goods.
All that with a purpose.
What is that?
We want to become self-dependent, and so we do not use anything foreign. Also, this creates employment and helps our own people to earn living. This way, we aim to strengthen our voice in front of the British government. The Crown is plundering our country, looting everything which is our very own. By producing clothes and other goods locally, we aim to weaken sources of revenue and keep them for our own good.
This is called dedication. He is a true leader, you see. The Mahatma not only preaches, but practices too.
In fact, all my disciples are also contributing in this. This is one part of professionalism. A professional has to exhibit the highest standards of a profession. Professionalism is as much about dedication as is to ensure good team spirit, which enables people from different walks of life to achieve a common goal together. Deep, you want to try spinning this wheel?
Wow, this is interesting. This way I can make a shirt to wear on my own. And the best part is, I won't have to ask anyone to do it for me. Great!
I would urge you to promote Khadi culture in your college, amongst your friends, everywhere.
Sure, Gandhiji, I will.
1942 August. Quit India movement became rapid with the failure of Cripps mission. A mass movement has started to end imperialism in India. Mahatma Gandhi is leading the movement. He addresses the mass and asks them to follow peaceful methods for the revolution.
The Mahatma is a true statesman and is also one of the finest professionals of all times.
Is being professional some kind of attribute or skill one has?
Professionalism is a special attribute exhibited by someone of a particular profession. Anyone associated with a particular profession cannot be termed as a professional unless he demonstrates the highest standard of that trade.
Like in this case, Gandhiji is the best example exhibiting professionalism. He is an able orator, truthful to the masses, honest in behavior, and dedicated to his work wholeheartedly. These all are the required traits of the leader of the masses.
The difference between a normal person and a thorough professional is he knows his trade well and is experienced too.
So, a professional is a good role model, effective communicator, honest and dedicated towards his work, truthful to himself, and towards masses that follow him.
Yes, professionalism is the pivot of any organization. It drives the motto of any group of people with the factors like motivation, inspiration, punctuality, and so on. In fact, professionalism requires emotional intelligence.
Violation of salt laws. Dandi March. Lathi charge by force. Mahatma Gandhi takes up the charges and asks police to punish him and not others.
Why do you take the blame for all this?
This yet again shows leadership qualities.
One must always take the responsibilities for one's actions. It lowers the burden of guilt suffered and helps develop confidence of your followers. This inspires them and they are motivated to fight for their rights.